Welcome to a brand new episode 53 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find difficult to solve. Today, we'll be going through question 1 of worksheet 27. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. David and Daryl left North Bridge Road for South Bridge Road at the same time. David was driving at an average speed of 80 km per hour and Daryl was driving at an average speed of 60 km per hour. David was leading Daryl by 8 km for every 1/6 of the distance from North Bridge Road to South Bridge Road. Find the distance between North Bridge Road and South Bridge Road. Okay, so for this question, we're going to draw the diagram. So from north to south, David is traveling at 80 km per hour and Daryl is traveling at 60 km per hour. Okay, then we actually estimate that David, which is, let's use V, David. Okay, we actually estimate that when David actually reached, right, Daryl will be somewhere will be some distance away from South Bridge Road lah. Okay, so then we realize that for every 1/6 of the distance traveled, David will be 8 kilometers faster. So in the first one unit, there's total of 6 units, right? The first unit is 8 kilometers. Then if we accumulate this 8 kilometers in the 6th portion of the journey, we'll be able to calculate that extra distance turns out to be 6 units times 8 km per unit, 48 km. Therefore, we will be able to get it that when David reached, right, Daryl will be 48 kilometers away. Okay, then next we are going to calculate the difference in speed, which gives us 80 minus 60. This is how fast David is actually traveling per hour, 20 kilometers ahead of Daryl. Then we'll be able to calculate the time taken to be 48 kilometers ahead, and this will actually take 2.4 hours. Therefore, the total distance between North Bridge and South Bridge Road will be 2.4 hours times 80 kilometers, because David actually takes 2.4 hours to finish the whole journey with a uniform speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, ta-da! That will be the answer for the question. The question that we just went through is question 1 of worksheet 27. There's 2 more questions available. This is question 2. The solution is 412.5 meters. And this is question 3. For question 3, okay, find the difference in time. The difference in time will be 1.55 hours. If you need any additional help to solve question 3, feel free to check our channel later for the video that we actually guide you through question 3. Then remember to like and subscribe if you actually like our content. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you got any challenging questions. We also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned this concept. And this is Miss J signing off. Bye!